Everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well. And today we are learning to hide the formula in the cell or address bar, right, in Excel. So how would we do that? And let's see in coming times. Okay, so I have created one small data. This is the name, these are the employee ID and the user ID that need to be created. So to create user ID, what type of user ID we are creating? We are creating name with the employee ID, right? So name is Mohan and 2 is the employee ID. So this would be the user ID for this particular person, right? So to drag this all, if do Control D, then this is wrong process, right? So what will we do? We will Control plus E, okay, then all the ID are created. But since we are trying to hide the formula, here it is not the formula, right? It is the shortcut. So creating formula, we need to go with concatenate, right? So we'll create concatenate text1 and select text2. Now bracket close. This is the formula. Now we'll do Control plus D and this will create the user ID for all person, right? Now you are seeing the formula in the address bar here, concatenate A4 and B4, right? What we are trying to do, we are trying to hide this formula. We don't want to see this formula once we select this particular cell, right? What we'll do, we'll do Control plus A, right? All the data is selected. Now Control plus 1, okay? So here you are seeing hidden is not checked. We'll check the hidden and we'll uncheck the locked, okay? Now we click on OK. Now there is one another step to protect the sheet, right? We'll protect the sheet, and here in the options, the protect worksheet and content of locked cell should be checked, right? If it is not checked, then check it, okay? Now then press OK. Now if you go in the cell, the formula is not visible, which means we have done the work, right? So formula is not visible. If you change the name here, okay, you change the name to Prayag, right? The result is changed, but you can't see the formula, right? If you reapply the formula, suppose we delete this user ID and again trying to create the ID with same formula, concatenate, select text1, select text2 and then close the bracket and enter. If we go again into this cell, again we are not able to see the formula. So the formula is set up for all this, even we change the data or we change the formula, right? So this is how you can hide the formula, right? Now if we go in the reverse, like to unhide and want to see the formula, then again see the reverse process, go on the product sheet and then Control 1 and then check the logged, uncheck the hidden and press OK. You are no, I think we need to select it, right? We need to select it and Control 1 and uncheck the hidden, right? Press OK. Still it is not being happening, okay? Then we will do it again, protect the sheet, okay. Formula is visible. Why? Because we have not logged the we have not selected hidden, right? So first unprotect the sheet, again select 1, select hidden, logged, uncheck the logged, press OK, then protect the sheet, press OK. Now it is hidden, right? The formula is not visible. Now again if we are trying to unhide the formula, then again go and unprotect the sheet, right? Press Control 1, check logged, uncheck hidden and press OK. You are back on the track. So now the same formula is visible. This is what we learned today. Thank you so much for being with us. If you like the video, share, comment and subscribe the channel. This is most important. And if you want to make me video on other topic, then please do comment and do not forget to put your advice as well. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.